I don't know. I thought air floats. Air does float because it's air, so it's like kind of not really there. I don't know. It doesn't make any sense.
Hi, guys.
Well, then we don't know what to say. No, I feel like we should sing a song.
I sound like Fred.
Hey, it's Fred! Oh my god, oh my god! Holy crap! Oh, for Christ's sake, Grandma!
Sorry. Gilly?
Gary.
I'm Uncle and I'm going fast and...
What do you say?
I got my flippy floppies.
Shy. I got my swim trunks and my flippy floppies. We're flipping buggers, Yankees, flippy floppies. I'm on a boat and it's going fast and, oh no, I forgot the rest. I'm on a boat.
Holy moly.
It's going fast and I got a machine. No.
I
So lightheaded. I know, this feels so like a dream. Oh God, really
pass out.
Really.
Yeah.
Like, really, Charlie.